In this video I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing and complete setup of HP DeskJet 2855e all-in-one printer. This is a wireless printer. You can also use it with the printer wire, and you can use it for copy, print and scan function. It uses the HP 67 tricolor and black ink cartridge. So let's do the unboxing, and we will connect it with the smartphone for wireless printing and scanning. So let's start with the unboxing of this printer. Now this printer comes with the starter manual, power cable and the setup in cartridges. Take the printer out of the packaging. There are some more leaflets here. Now take it out. Remove the plastic packaging. Remove the seal. Now it has a connection inside, so you have to open it. Then it goes all the way down and then inside. Remove, there is one cardboard here. Now we can close it. Also remove this packing from here. Start the setup process. So first we will plug in the power cable. The cable goes at the back of the printer. We have to install the setup in cartridges first, and then we will load the paper. Take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. So it comes with the set. Remove this orange seal. That's a protective seal on the printer. Remove the both seals. Switch on the printer. Press the power button. To install the ink, open the ink chamber. So you just have to open the door and the ink chamber will move and come into the middle. Now install both the ink cartridges one by one. Color ink cartridge go here. Slide it in and push it with your hand. It will close itself, and then the black. Close this chamber. Now we have to load the paper. So at the back of the printer, adjust the size. Load A4 size or letter size paper. And now we can extend the paper output tray. Once we load the paper, install the ink cartridges, it will print the alignment page. We have to scan this page. So open the lid, place it here facing down like this on this corner, and then click any button like the black or color, and it will start the alignment. Alignment is done. Next step is to do the Wi-Fi setup of the printer. You will see the wireless light is flashing. That means printer is in the setup mode. Now go to your smartphone and open the HP Smart app. You can also use a laptop or MacBook for the setup process. HP Smart app, we have to start the setup process. Click on the setup or add printer. Select new printer. Select new printer. It will display DeskJet 2800 series. Select it. Make sure your smartphone is connected to the home Wi-Fi network. It will display the name of your Wi-Fi on the top. Enter its password. Click on the continue. Press the flashing information button on the printer display panel and continue the setup process. Printer is connected to the Wi-Fi. Click continue. Select accept all. On the next screen, it will ask you to enter the pin of the printer. So pin is always here. Open the chamber and you will see the pin number here. Just enter it and click on the submit button. And then it will ask you to join the HP Plus. So if you want, you can activate it, or you can just click on the do not activate HP Plus. You can decline it. Click continue. Welcome to your HP account. You can join for the instant ink rebate, so it can give you some ink on the discount. If you want, you can just enable it, or you can just do not enable the ink delivery. That means we will decline this offer, so skip the offer. Ink is already installed. Click continue. Select auto updates for your printer. Let's print the welcome page. Continue the setup process. If you want, you can send a link to other devices, or you can skip it. On the next screen, you will see your printer with estimated level of ink, and we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. For copy, we can simply open the lid, place the page here and click on the copy button. So copy is really easy, whereas for wireless printing and scanning, you need to use the app, and then you can do the scanning and printing through the app section. So we have just printed one page. Let's do the wireless printing and scanning. So if you want, you can just place a page for the scanning. So it should be facing down, and then go to your smartphone. Click on the printer scan option. Click on the scan icon. You can see scan is being transferred. Scan is finished. Click on the icon here. If you want to add more pages, you can add and click on the scan. So right now I'll finish it. Once you click on that, it will display the scanned area. Now this way we can do the scanning. Now if you want, you can save it or you can share it. Let's do the printing. So select any document you want to print. Make sure you select your printer correctly and then click on the print icon. So print speed is good, so it is working on the Wi-Fi setup for wireless printing and scanning. Once the printing is done, click on the done button. And this way we can do the complete setup of the printer and we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.